So first of all, I want to talk a little bit about my awesome case from Ringke. This is my first time I'm using this brand. Usually I buy my cases from Spigen, but this is a beautiful case. I'm in love with this brand new company. And both of them, Spigen and Ringke, have high quality cases. They're military grade tested, and that's why I always put a case on my phone. You don't want this thing to be damaged. One time you drop it, that's it. So in this video, I want to show you the iRing Link, which is a kickstand. I love it. I've been using it before in my previous cases, and it's extremely high quality, very durable. It comes with a 3M sticker, and I got the black color so that it matches the back, which is also black. Let's have a look. Okay. So now I need to find the perfect location for this, and my favorite location would be somewhere here. Not at the bottom, not exactly in the middle. Right there would be perfect. There you go. Perfect. Just apply more pressure. Excellent. And there you go. It's ready. It's perfect. It works. I love this iRing holder. Thank you for watching this video.